Step 1. Put the watch band on your wrist to determine how many links you need to remove. Aim the link pin with the sharp thimble and push the screw rod to disassemble the link. Use the same way to disassemble the other side. Pull out the sharp pin with the tool. Open the base to take out the wide pin and install it. Connect the two links. Please note that the side with arrow logo is below. Insert the link pin with the smaller head. Aim the link pin with the wide thimble and push it in. After installation is complete, put the wide pin or sharp pin back into the base for next use. Step 2. Put the quick release bar into the band hole. Insert one end of the quick release bar into the watch lug hole. Press down the bar knot and push it into the lug hole. Use the same way to install the other side.